Greetings, everyone. My name is Eric Kearney, president of Retirement Wealth Advisors. For the past 15 years, we've been helping pre- and post-retirees learn how to retire and live a more dynamic lifestyle. People have so many questions, not enough answers. Yet we go out there and we're buying tools, products, investments without any real proof if these are actually going to work for us. Sign up for our course, Reality in Retirement. We're simply there to educate you about the beginning of retirement all the way to the very end. We talk about tax planning, income planning, portfolio money management, and what we really want to do is help you understand how to live a more dynamic lifestyle and plan for longevity and sustainability. So if you have more questions than answers about your retirement, go to myincomeplan.com, sign up today, and we'll see you soon.